Welcome to this special green update. My name is Candace Quinn Kelly, and I'm the president of the Charles County Commissioners. And today it is my pleasure to welcome Mr. Joshua Justice with Southern Solutions, who's going to share with us a little bit about what his business is doing in terms of going green and protecting our environment. Welcome, Mr. Justice.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Good to have you here today.
President Kelly, and thank you for having me here today. I really appreciate it.
Tell us a little bit about what your company does and what you're going to do.
Okay. Southern Solutions is the authorized Xerox sales agency for Charles County. We support all of the Xerox customers in Charles County. And we know that green initiatives and environmental sustainability is really important for our customers in Charles County. Since 1991, Xerox has diverted 2.3 billion pounds of waste from going into landfills through our innovative equipment and our recycling programs. Some of our latest innovative equipment is the new green machine, the Xerox ColorQube, and that uses a solid ink as the toner instead of a normal toner cartridge device.
Wow.
And then this is non-toxic. You could lick it if you like.
Not too tasty.
Not too tasty, but not harmful either.
Really? So this entirely melts down. Just for our those who are watching, it is just it feels like a plastic chunk here.
Like a big crayon.
Like a big crayon, except not as greasy, really.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it completely melts down, so there's no waste. On a typical laser machine, over a 4-year lifespan, it generates 818 pounds of waste. The ColorQube, 88, so it's 90% less waste. And the 88 pounds can all be recycled locally because there's no plastic cartridge that you need to ship back to the manufacturer to be recycled.
What a great innovation.
It really is. Besides that, it also has fewer CO2 emissions and less energy is used to put the image on the page because it lays the ink on top of the page versus laser machine that puts the image in the page with this. And with this, we have smaller workgroup devices as well as standalone devices, and we'll have one of these at the Green Symposium. Excellent.
Now, for example, what is the quality of the copy? How does that come out?
The quality is just as good as any laser machine you would get.
Wonderful.
Correct.
Wonderful.
And some other benefits of this are the cost benefits. You can have color on every page for the same cost as black and white on a laser machine.
Very impressive. So from a business's point of view, this is certainly very cost-effective.
Color increases attention, comprehension, retention. So it's very beneficial to have color on your documents, and now it's the same cost as black and white.
Now, if you were doing color, would you have to have various different cartridges?
Each machine takes 4 of these.
4 of these, okay, very good. Yeah. And how about what would a cartridge cost for replacement?
It's all included.
All included.
Price plan.
Okay, very good.
Right.
Okay.
Some other programs we have with our traditional laser machines is that we have EA toner, and it's a much smaller particle in our laser machines than our competitors' dry ink toner. So it requires about 20–30% less energy to put the ink on the page, which results in an average of a 20% energy savings. And we also have recycling programs for our laser machines that do have the cartridges, including eco boxes that will ship you out and that we have available locally. You can put up to 5 toners in to send them back. So you're not printing a label on every toner to send back. And that, of course, reduces shipping and your carbon footprint, which improves air quality. So we have a lot of green initiatives we're helping our customers take.
Well, that's excellent. And so, you know, we can expect, I would think, lots, I'm sure there's a lot of research and development going on and lots to come as well from Xerox.
Absolutely.
That's
absolutely.
Great. Now, how did you get into this business?
How did I get into this business?
Yes.
Through an acquaintance at college got me into business with Xerox. I started out in Frederick, Maryland. I came down to Southern Maryland, was down here for 3 years, and 3 years ago the company I worked for moved on, and I got the contract and started Southern Solutions. And now there's 7 of us that support Charles County here in Southern Maryland.
Well, what a great story. I love to hear these entrepreneurial stories.
Thank you. I'm the youngest agent owner in Xerox for the last 5 years.
Well, that is so impressive. Now you're going to have to tell us how old you are, though, now that you mentioned your age.
I just turned 30, so
I started
when I was 25.
When was your birthday?
The 21st of January.
Okay, well, happy birthday, belated.
Thank you.
So do you think, as a 30-year-old, you would be as interested or as excited, because you're clearly very excited about what you're doing, were it not for the fact that it sounds as if you're really improving the environment in so many ways.
You know, the generation I came up in was all about environmental and sustainability. All of my friends, when I talk about the green initiatives we're taking, are always excited to hear about them. We've just been brought up on saving the environment and preserving the environment and improving our air quality. So I've heard it all my life. So.
Well, you know what? Our generation is counting on you all to save our planet. and more importantly, I mean, this is so exciting because it's so wonderful to see that business can thrive and be successful and coexist in a world where we are committed to saving our environment.
Absolutely.
So it's just been a pleasure talking with you today.
Yes, thank you very much.
And we're looking forward to seeing you at our Green Symposium.
Sounds great. Thank you.
Thank you. And we look forward to seeing you on April 14th at the College of Southern Maryland for our Green Symposium.